Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Faceit Anti Cheat error Windows update. The first thing that you need to do is to delete or remove completely the Faceit program on your computer. For you to do this, just go on your Windows icon, type in Control Panel. Click on it and go under Uninstall a program. And here, look for Faceit. I don't have it installed, but make sure you go where it says uninstall and then remove it in your computer. After you do that, then you can go where the Windows icon is, right click, then click on run. Then make sure you type in this percentage local app data percentage, click on OK. And here you'll need to look for the Faceit folder. Once you have it, make sure you delete it off your computer, then restart your computer. After you restart your computer, then you can go on the website and then re-download the Faceit app again. Then install it and you're done.